Of course, there are also certain problems in cooperation with press, and I think it is very, very important moment. Many Latvian periodicals today do not see the difference between marketing and charity. And it is one of the main problems. The marketing and the charity for the press is one and the same thing.
Basically, how do I see it? It's taking responsibility for the impact that your company has on its surroundings. It's not saving the world, it's not helping everybody, it's not doing everything. It is just saying, okay, oops, I did this, I'll clean that up. Oh, I can have a positive effect here, I'll do that. So it's taking responsibility, actually going, where does my responsibility start and end? And that, of course, has to make you think, how wide is my responsibility? How wide is our responsibility? So that's our take on it.
The CSR and competitiveness. You can imagine that it is very important for us as a visible company here in local society, as a market leader in our industry, that we do care about the society, that we know, at least understand what society is waiting from us. And that's the big part, that we know how to communicate these things, how to communicate openly and transparently all the upsides what we have in the business, all the downsides what we have in the business, so that people can understand what risks we are taking, what risks they are taking by supporting us. So there are many, many small issues, of course, that are driving us. And as I told, this is not for 1 year. We want to be here for many, many years. And that's why it's important to build this platform towards the society in a very transparent way. If you look on the environment which we have and where we have to compete, that's huge, and it's very hard to be distinctive and to find the right ways how to compete in this environment. It's only our industry where we are working in. And then we have a society watching us all the time. They are looking, they are trying to understand what activities do we have, what initiatives do we have. They want from us some responsibility that we are taking on our shoulders. So they are out and watching us all the time, and they have demands. And I have taken the four basic demands which they require. And that's the economic one, which is really important. What do you really produce? How do you produce? Does society need what you produce? Or might be that's even not at the need. So they are watching on that as well. The legislative part. How do we comply with all the legislation? How do we follow up to the instructions? How do we pay taxes? All those details are very, very important in the society. Then the ethical part. Whenever, of course, you are visible in the society, this is even more important. And especially from the large enterprises, society is watching the ethical part should be very, very important on the high level on agendas. Philanthropic as well. If we are out in society, in communities, making some income, we should share the income. It's not only for us, for the company to keep everything, because that's the community, that's the society who is spending that money for us. So we should be able to share it for them as well, and we do that.
You know, Latvian Chamber, we are a media. We are a voice of business. And yesterday we had a meeting, business meeting, and we talked about trade mission to Yekaterinburg in Russia. It's a Riga Council export brand Rigas Marka. we talk how we go and blah 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 blah, and I start to understand. Oh, I have not this presentation about corporate social responsibility, and I asked what you can say about corporate social responsibility. Silence. And the question was, what? I said, corporate social responsibility. I said, okay, maybe ethics in everyday business life. Again, silence. And then one old man gives the answer. If you have this feeling in the heart, ethics, you are ethical. And talks and papers do not help. And if I want to be very honest, now I could finish my presentation. Yes, because it's true.
You can see the competitiveness in many ways. You can compete with the product, you can compete with innovations and so on. But you can compete with many other things. It shouldn't be always this nice rewarding CSR, but it's the health, safety, environment. So many issues you can compete on that one. And that includes also the parts of the CSR. Then of course all the standards you are putting to the employees, all the standards you are putting on your partners, all the standards you are putting also on the way how do you want to see your customer. Actually what you are working with this one is that you are giving trust into your customer hands. They start to believe in you, they trust in you because they see you in some way that you are transparent, you are ethical, you are trying to do something in philanthropy, and you are trying also to do something for them, sharing your incomes. So there are many things, of course, how you are able to sell to the society that you are doing something. But that shouldn't be, again, that you are doing just because you have to do. That's a marketing issue. That's the cultural issue. And if you will feel that that's in the company's heart already, that the employees work like that, the employees feel like that, then that's a culture what you are selling. And if that's a culture, then that's a different issue. Then people already start to talk to this company. They feel good interaction already. So the feeling is that you can sell everything, but you have just to sell it in a very correct way, and that's how you win the competitiveness. Because everyone wants to be distinctive in the market.
Can you compete with CSR in terms of employees attracting or not attracting? Somebody leaving your company because it doesn't practice corporate social responsibility. I mean, that's, competition for employees. Can you do it? I mean, it's just part of corporate culture. May or may not be. It doesn't really make a difference.
Definitely. I even don't know a person who leaves from the company I'm coming from, because they are part of the culture.
What I want to say is that we never use these three words together, corporate social responsibility, never. No, we have not this, we never talk about corporate social responsibility in everyday what we need to do, interactions, and we are talking about ethics, yes, and about main two problems. First problem is how to move from grey economy to white economy, it's the first problem. And second problem is every Monday I have meetings with members, and one of the problem is that I am paying taxes and they are not paying taxes. And in state tenders I have not competition